Welcome to AM Best Audio.
Earlier this month, AM Best shifted its outlook for the global reinsurance segment to positive, marking a first on that status. The move came as returns reached a 3-decade high for reinsurers, with another first also being noticed. A new class of reinsurers has not materialized in the sector, which had previously occurred under such favorable pricing conditions. I'm Lori Chortis for AM Best TV, and joining us now to explain a bit more about that is AM Best Associate Director Dan Hoffmeister, one of the authors of the 2023 Reinsurer class, the class that never was. Dan, welcome. It's great to see you. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Lori.
Dan, can you speak about what's typically played out in the reinsurance segment under these hard market conditions?
Yeah, so with the property reinsurance market in particular, typically we see the same cadence, which is a large-scale catastrophic event, whether it be a Hurricane Andrew, Hurricane Katrina, even the 9/11 terrorist attacks. We have a large event like that comes in and eliminates a lot of the capital in the market, drives rates up. At the same time, we'll see interest rates starts to shift as well because of that. And to fill that void within the market, we'll see a new class of reinsurers come in.
So why haven't new companies entered this space?
It's a great question, something that we've been kind of hypothesizing. I think there's a few factors going on in the market right now. The main thing that we hear is that private equity investors and the typical venture capitalist partners haven't really had the buy-in that they had in prior hard markets. This hard market's also a little different in that it was kind of sparked by a continuation of minor events rather than one large-scale catastrophic events. But nonetheless, we've seen the conditions arise for reinsurers to be formed. We just haven't seen that yet.
Customize your data experience. BestLink now offers an interactive company dashboard that provides company-level intelligence in a fast, user-friendly interface featuring interactive tables, charts, and Sparkline performance histories. Customize the dashboard tiles to prioritize the insurer ratings, data, and analytics that best support your workflow. AM Best. Our insight, your advantage.
Are investors finding their way into this space through other access points?
Yes, and that's actually one of the reasons that we think the reinsurers haven't formed yet. We've seen a big rise in the ILS market, particularly in cat bonds. Issuances are up significantly. From an investor standpoint, a risk return standpoint, much shorter time horizons they have to commit that capital to. So part of the reason we think might be that investors are tending to shift their capital that way. And then there's also the legacy reinsurers, the traditional, that have gone out and raised capital in the hard market as well.
Dan, this has been so informative. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me again.
That was AM Best Associate Director Dan Hoffmeister. For AM Best TV, I'm Lori Chortis.
Looking to get the full attention of the insurance industry? We have the platforms that will do just that. Whether it be AM Best TV, AM Best Audio, Best Review Magazine, or Best Day. Find out more by calling AM Best Advertising Sales at 908-439-2200, extension 5399, and have a great day.